Hi, my name is Annuviya. I am currently an educator at Pichandipuram Forest. It's an organization in Auroville, and we're doing outreach work in Chennai schools. And we're talking about how to take 50 years of Pichandipuram Forest's restoration work to 6th, 7th, 8th students. How can we make it understandable and accessible for them? And so we're doing that by creating gardens in schools. So the same process we use in our restoration work about how we go and read the land and how we find out what species of trees grow there, or how water stagnates and flows during the monsoon. So that same thing we do in the schools with the kids. We select a piece of land, we see how it we even select which area we want to work in, and we make a plan for it with all of us involved, and then we go around, we clear the space up, and we start planting seeds, and that's something you also do for a forest. You plant seeds and they grow up in the nursery, and then you plant them. So by planting gardens, we're growing trees. So, and right now I sort of have like a lot of pictures. Some of our sessions. So this is a session where while we were doing gardening work and creating the soil, we realized that the patterns that were coming from the soil and the water looked exactly like river deltas. So through that we learned about the watershed in the rivers in Chennai and how water flows and moves along the landscape. So which really it's very important to know this when we are doing restoration work. And a lot of times you learn it from people who have done this work for many years. The local people who are, this is a herbalist from our village 50 years ago. So a lot of these people who've lived with the land have this information, and it's so important to honor them and give them that space of value. And here's just a sample of how this activity that we did. So there's a mud, there's a bit of sand and water here, and we can learn how water moves from one space. Let me show you a little bit. See how water flows and what it means for water to flow in a river, how it slows down, speeds up. Why is it important to have lakes, ponds, and water retention landscapes? So this is just some of the work we've been doing.